Small, agile, electric, green. Micromobility is changing how the world moves. Rewriting the rules of transportation. But building it, that's the big challenge. With faster cycles, more customization, fewer people, tighter budgets, strict compliance, and no room for errors. How to stay in the race? By building smarter. Think micro, build smart, deliver big. With Siemens Smart Manufacturing Solutions for Micromobility. Designed to be affordable, integrated and scalable for companies of all sizes. The market demands complex, high-quality products, delivered quickly, compliantly and profitably. But relying on ad hoc processes or disconnected tools can hold you back. Start with virtual manufacturing planning. Simulate, optimize and validate your processes before production. Eliminate bottlenecks, reduce waste and accelerate commissioning without costly trial and error. Next, implement a closed-loop quality process. Capture real-time production data, flag issues early and streamline quality management processes. Build confidence in every product without slowing down. Finally, drive performance with efficient manufacturing execution. Gain full traceability, insights into performance data, and respond to change fast. Think micro, build smart, deliver big. With Siemens Smart Manufacturing Solutions for all automotive companies to stay competitive and deliver with confidence.